Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Povich's class, parents, students. For the math this week, there's going to be some multiplication and division, so I wanted to go over the multiplication of 2-digit by 2-digit first. And in another video, I will do the division. So we learned this year 3 different ways to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. And boys and girls, you guys picked which way worked the best for you this year. So I'm just gonna, this is a little refresher. So traditional, I'm gonna do here, lattice, I'm gonna do here, and area model down here. So let's start with 54 times 83. Let's do that. Okay, and I'm gonna use blue for this next part. Find my blue. Okay, first step we do is we look at the ones place and we do our 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So you put in 12. 12 looks like this. So we're gonna write it with our 2 here and we'll carry our 1 over there. Then we're gonna move over to, we're still using this number here. 3 times 4 is 12, and then 3 times 5, 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16, so I put my 6, nothing to carry my 1 over to, so I have 162 right here. Because in reality, we're doing 54 times 3, because it's 4 times 3, 3 times 50 up in here. So 162. So then I do my cross, cross, 0. Remember, cross, cross, 0. Don't need that anymore. Don't need this anymore. And we have our 0 because the next ones we're doing are really 50 and 80. And we're putting that 0 as for our place. Next part. So we do 8 times 4 and 8 times 5. So in this problem, all you need to know is 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 8 times 4, 8 times 5 for traditional. So 8 times 4. That number looks like that, 32. So we're going to do 2, put our 3 up to the next spot that we're going to do. And then we do 8 times 5, which is 40, plus 3, which is 43. So we put our 3, nothing to carry our 4 over to. And we put our 4 right there. Now with this down here, make sure everything's lined up. We're going to add that together. And I'm going to do that in green. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then 4 plus nothing is 4. 4,482. We're going to do this exact same problem in lattice. This is the lattice method. So I'll make myself a box, like a window with 4 squares. 54, so I'm going to put 54 times 83. Exclamation point. So let me do my, you start with this corner and you go down right through the intersection of this, and the intersection of this and this, and you always come down past, and that. Okay? Now let me use red for my numbers. Remember, it's the same problems that we, over here, 8 times 4, 32. So you put 32. 3 times 4, we match up. 4 and 3 match up right here, 12. 5 and 8, 5 times 8, they match right here. If you line them up, is 40. 5 times 3, line them up, 15. Okay, now we have our row of numbers. Now we add them up within each lane. We got 4 lanes here. So this first one, 2 plus nothing equals 2. 5 plus 1 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 8. And then we have 1 plus 0 plus 3, that equals 4. And then 4 plus nothing equals 4. So our answer is 4,482, 4,482. So we got same answer. Now, the last method I'm going to show you is area model. And I like calling it the expanded form model. Area model. And this one, we're going to do the same thing where you draw the window box. Now, except for this part, with our numbers, we're going to break them apart by expanded form. So 54 is really 50 plus 4. And 83 is really 80 plus 3. Okay? So when we do this, I'm going to use red again like I did up here. Sorry, I just kicked the camera. We're going to do 4 times 80, put the answer here. 50 times 80, put the answer here. 50 times 3, put the answer here. 4 times 3, put the answer here. It's just like we're doing up here, except we're putting it in a different spot. Just let me show you here. So 4 times 80. Well, we know 4 times 8 is 32. 32 with a 0 on the end, it's going to be 320. 50 times 80, 5 times 8 is 40, and we have 2 zeros after, so that's going to be 4,000. 4 times 3 is 12. 50 times 3, if you count by 50s 3 times, you're going to get to 50, 100, 150. Or you look at 3 times 5 is 15, and you have a 0, so we put our 0 in. So now we have 4 numbers. All we got to do is do this part in blue. We got 4 numbers. We're going to add up, make sure all your places are lined up. 4,000, 320, 150, and 12. Make sure your 1s, your 10s, your 100s, and your 1000s are all lined up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4,482. And if you look up here, right here, 150 plus 12, that's 162 right there. 4,320, 4,320, that's right there. These all kind of match with each other. And these are the 3 methods that we did this year. So you just choose which one works for you for this week with any 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Thank you.